family. You know that. He's been with us for so long. He's been through all our trials and tribulations. And Corey,
who's going to clear the table?
say something.
You're here for me.
I better say something because you ain't got no voice left. I said, how you doing today? Good. Well, this is a very nice auditorium, the Michael Jackson Auditorium.
Yeah, Michael Jackson Auditorium!
Very nice. I'm going to tell you a quick story. If you can hear me, I'm going to tell you a quick story of how it's probably better at this time like this.
Everybody quiet! Quiet so you can hear!
I'm recording on the camera with this little mic on.
Okay, right, that's better. Okay. Alright. Ooh. So anyway, I was going to tell you a quick story about how I met Majestic. Because Michael and I were friends. We met back in the Goonies, when I was doing the Goonies. And we've been friends for like a year, and I was at his house, and it was kind of like we were celebrating the fact that we'd been friends for a year, and we had a little party at the Havenhurst house, and Michael said, I'm gonna have a party, and I want to invite a bunch of my friends, and I'm also going to invite a couple of magicians. And I said, okay, that sounds fun. And so we invited Kiwi Kwan, who is one of the other kids in the Goonies. He was there. And Sean Astin, and Emmanuel Lewis, and Emmanuel's brother. And we were all at this party, and I met Jeff Hoffman for the first time. And we were all at this party, and we were in the game room of Michael's house. And Michael was kind of showing me around, like giving me a tour. I think it was only my second or third time at the house. And he was taking me into the game room, and right as we walked through the door, he sees this guy and he goes, Corey, do you know Majestic? And I said, no. And he goes, ladies and gentlemen, Majestic the Magnificent, magician extraordinaire. And he goes, this is Corey, he's a Goonie. And that's how we met. And we've been friends for, what, 25 years now? Yeah. And he was over then. He was over then. He was over then. See, he cursed the microphone. He didn't want you to hear that part. He didn't want you to hear that. I can't move. Okay, but just stay right here? Okay. Anyway, thank you. Anyway, so he's old. Whoop, that's not what I meant to say. What I meant to say, he was old then and he's younger now. And he looks beautiful in his lavender jacket. But anyway, has he done any magic? Has he done any magic for you today? What? Majestic. Come on, you got something. You don't tell me you got it. See some magic? Hey! I forget my new
Movie coming out. They premiere something online. Man, you got to get another microphone all on back. So yeah, that's why he's here today. Because he's going right down the street also. My voice is gonna talk.
Do some magic. Well, if you guys want to, yeah, you can, when you're done here, when you're done here, you can follow me. There we go. When you're done here, you can follow me if you want to. I'm going to go over on Vine. I don't know the exact address, but I'm showing my new movie. Well, it's not a new movie, but it's in a film festival. It's called The Birthday, and it's one of my favorite movies I've ever done. And it's going to be playing right down the street at 5 o'clock. So if you want to come over, there's still tickets available. I'm pretty sure it's only like $5 or $10 because it's a film festival. So it's on Vine Street, and I think this is ending pretty soon. So when this is done, you guys can come on over there. I'm going to be there introducing the movie right after this. And I have another new movie coming out called Operation Elvis Bash. And I don't know if you guys heard about this, but you know, I do a big birthday event every year. And I'm doing a big event this year. It's called Birthday 4.0. And I'm going to be doing events all over. Thank you. Thanks for noticing. So I'm going to be, that's for anybody smart enough to figure out what that means. They had to get a 4.0 to actually get it. But anyway, so I'm going to be doing events all over the world for this birthday. It's very exciting. I'm doing one in London in 2 weeks. I'll be in London. And then the next one is going to be Vegas. And if you guys want to come out and join me in Vegas, it's going to be at the Palms Casino in Vegas. And then there'll be one in LA and one in New York. But anyway, so that's it. Anyway, I want to thank you guys all for coming down and sharing today. God bless Michael. We will all miss him. We'll all love him and miss him. And thank you for showing your support and living on his memory, keeping his memory alive. And this auditorium is a beautiful sentiment and something that, you know, should have happened a long time ago, but everything happens exactly when it's supposed to, so that's the way you got to look at it. Things happen the exact way that they're supposed to. You know, I think it's kind of funny because now all of a sudden you got like Captain EO at Disneyland and Captain EO at Disney World, you know, and I'm listening to the radio the other night and I hear Beat It come on at 3 o'clock in the morning. They play Beat It on Kiss FM, and I was like, okay, you know what I mean? Things take time, but we're all good now. We're here to show our love, show our support. Thank you all for coming out. God bless you. Love you.
There's a lot of people that be late, man. You should have it on time. We'll be late next time.